Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 9 of Power BI DAX functions. In this set of DAX function series, we have covered date and time functions and we are continuing with information functions. And also previously we have discussed what are the top 8 functions which is used in Power BI. If you have missed those videos to watch, we have provided the link of the playlist in description. Please do watch. And if you're watching our channel for the first time, please hit a like and subscribe button to get our videos once we are posting it as soon as possible. So today we are going to discuss other functions, other important DAX function in information functions. Previously we have discussed about contains function, custom data function, lookup value, the very most important and most useful function, and username function, how to get the username of that particular desktop Power BI we have discussed. And today in this video we are going to discuss an other function which is useful to identify blank in the data set which you are working on it. So that is called ISBLANK. How to use this ISBLANK and what is the syntax for the ISBLANK we are going to discuss in this video. And moreover, from next video, we are going to post the syntaxes and explanation of that particular DAX function, and we are trying to cover the previous DAX functions in a theoretical method in our blog page. The blog page link is also going to be published in our description box. Let's jump into today's video. So here you can see we have in a previous discussion we have seen the lookup value and even also with the new measure of username. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column which says that if I have any blank value in that, instead of total price it will be region name. So suppose if I say in region I want to know any blank is available with the DAX function which I have run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column. It's a calculator column, and type it as is blank value equal to is blank. You can see it says check the whether the value is blank and returns true or false, which means it will check the particular value or a column is having a blank or not. Okay, so our column is region, so I'm going to give the region of the particular data set, hit enter. So everything you can see is a false, right? You can see it over here. So this is the isBlank function works. Now little bit if advanced if we go, okay, I'm going to create a new other column which will show me using the if condition of the same is blank. If is blank, okay, so if is blank of this particular region, my logical test is true, then give me the text as if my blank is true, then give me blank, else give me not blank. Right? So not blank. So obviously we have no blank value in our data. This is how we use if logical function and is blank information function all together to get the desired result of our data set. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any queries in our video, please do post your query in our comment box. We will always try to help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.